Pyramids stand as iconic symbols of ancient civilizations, capturing the imagination with their colossal dimensions and intricate designs. These monumental structures have been constructed across various cultures and eras, each contributing to a rich tapestry of history, engineering prowess, and cultural significance. From the colossal pyramids of Egypt to the stepped pyramids of Mesoamerica, the history of pyramids is a testament to human innovation, religious devotion, and societal advancement. 1. Early beginnings, Mesopotamia and ziggurats. The concept of pyramid-shaped structures dates back to ancient Mesopotamia, around 4000 BCE, with the construction of ziggurats. Ziggurats were massive stepped structures, with a temple at the top, built by the Sumerians and later adopted by the Babylonians and Assyrians. These early pyramidal forms served as religious centers and provided a vantage point for priests to communicate with the gods. The ziggurats' layered construction eventually influenced the architectural evolution of pyramids in other parts of the world. 2. The Egyptian pyramids' triumphs of engineering and spirituality. Perhaps the most iconic pyramids are the ones found in ancient Egypt. These colossal structures were built as tombs for pharaohs and their queens, reflecting the Egyptians' deep religious beliefs in the afterlife and the divine power of their rulers. The construction of the first pyramid, the step pyramid of Djoser at Saqqara, was commissioned by Pharaoh Djoser around 2630 BCE. Designed by the architect Imhotep, it marked a significant shift from mastaba-style tombs to a more complex pyramid design. The era of pyramid building reached its zenith during the Old Kingdom, c. 2686–2181 BCE, with the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, attributed to Pharaoh Khufu. This architectural marvel, completed around 2560 BC, it remains one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Its sheer scale, precise alignment, and intricate engineering baffle researchers to this day, sparking theories ranging from advanced mathematical knowledge to extraterrestrial intervention. The Great Sphinx, a colossal statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, stands near these pyramids, adding further mystery to the Giza Plateau. 3. Pyramids across continents, Mesoamerica and the Americas. Parallel to the Egyptian pyramids, ancient Mesoamerican civilizations also constructed pyramid-like structures. The most famous examples come from the Aztec, Maya, and Olmec cultures. The Pyramid of the Sun at Teotihuacan in present-day Mexico is a prime example, showcasing the magnificence of Mesoamerican architecture. Unlike Egyptian pyramids, Mesoamerican pyramids had flat tops, often used for rituals and ceremonies. The Mayans, known for their advanced understanding of astronomy and mathematics, built pyramids as religious centers and astronomical observatories. The Pyramid of Kukulkan at Chichen Itza exemplifies their expertise, as its design aligns with astronomical events like the equinoxes. The pyramids of Mesoamerica represented a harmonious relationship between architecture, spirituality, and science. 4. Nubian and Sudanese pyramids, lesser-known treasures. While Egyptian pyramids garner the most attention, the Nubian region, particularly Sudan, is home to a lesser-known collection of pyramids. These pyramids, built by the ancient kingdom of Kush, demonstrate a fusion of Egyptian and local architectural styles. The Nubian pyramids are generally smaller in scale, but share a similar funerary purpose with their Egyptian counterparts. 5. The decline of pyramid construction. The construction of pyramids gradually declined with the decline of the civilizations that built them. The collapse of the Old Kingdom marked the end of large-scale pyramid building in Egypt. The rise of other architectural styles, such as temples and churches, further diverted focus from pyramid construction. 6. Mysteries and modern interpretations. Despite centuries of research, pyramids continue to captivate human curiosity. The methods used to construct these immense structures remain a subject of debate. Theories range from the use of ramps, levers, and counterweights to the involvement of advanced engineering techniques. As technology advances, researchers are gaining new insights into the construction methods, painting a more detailed picture of how these architectural marvels came into existence. 7. Pyramids as cultural symbols. Throughout history, pyramids have represented more than just physical structures. They embody cultural, religious, and societal values of the civilizations that built them. In Egypt, pyramids represented the divine authority of pharaohs and their connection to gods. In Mesoamerica, pyramids were centers of worship and cosmic understanding. Today, these pyramids are not only historical artifacts, but also symbols of human achievement and determination. 8. Preservation and tourism. The preservation of pyramids has become a global concern. Natural factors like erosion and human activities such as tourism contribute to their degradation. Governments and international organizations are collaborating to ensure the long-term survival of these invaluable treasures. Additionally, pyramids attract millions of tourists annually, boosting economies and providing insight into ancient civilizations' beliefs and way of life. 9. Conclusion. The history of pyramids is a testament to human ingenuity, spirituality, and cultural diversity. From the earliest ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the awe-inspiring Egyptian and Mesoamerican pyramids, these structures have left an indelible mark on our collective history. They showcase the heights of architectural and engineering achievements and stand as reminders of the beliefs, values, and ambitions of the civilizations that once thrived upon the earth. As we continue to unravel their mysteries and protect them for future generations, pyramids will forever remain iconic symbols of our shared human heritage.